Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to restrict editing in Microsoft Excel worksheet. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To restrict editing in Microsoft Excel worksheet, click on Review tab and here you will find Protect Sheet. Click on Protect Sheet and you can set password here. I am setting the password and select the restriction. I am selecting all options to restrict editing. Now click on OK and re-enter password again and then click on OK. Now the Excel workbook is restricted. Now I am trying to add some text. Look, it's restricting to add text. Click on OK and again I am trying to delete some text. Click on cut and I cannot cut also. This is the easiest way to restrict editing in Microsoft Excel document. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.